Welcome to Master 2255 English Phrasal Verbs, complete course with 150 categories for fluency. Today, we've reached category 147, Household Chores, Phrasal Verbs for keeping your home organized. In this category, you'll learn key phrasal verbs that will help you talk about cleaning, organizing, and maintaining a tidy home, just like a native speaker. Let's get started. First up is clean up. This is one of the most common phrasal verbs when talking about cleaning. It means to make a space neat and tidy. For example, after the party, we had to clean up the entire living room. It's simple, direct, and super useful. Next is tidy up. It's similar to clean up, but it often focuses on organizing things, not necessarily deep cleaning. For example, can you tidy up your room before our guests arrive? It's used when you want things to look neat and presentable. Now, we have pick up. This means to collect or gather items, often to put them in their correct place. For example, the kids need to pick up their toys before bedtime. It's essential when talking about organizing and decluttering. The next phrasal verb is put away. This means to return something to its proper place after using it. For example, after doing the laundry, I have to put away all the clothes in the drawers. It's essential for maintaining an organized space. Now, let's move on to take out. This means to remove something from a place, often referring to trash. For example, can you please take out the trash before it starts to smell? It's a crucial phrasal verb for daily cleaning routines. Next up is wash up. This means to clean dishes, utensils, or even yourself. For example, after dinner, I always have to wash up the plates and cutlery. It's a must-know for talking about kitchen chores. Let's move on to wipe down. This means to clean a surface with a cloth, sponge, or towel. For example, after cooking, don't forget to wipe down the kitchen counters. It's frequently used when cleaning surfaces like tables, counters, and appliances. Next, we have sweep up. This means to clean the floor using a broom. For example, there are crumbs all over the floor. Can you sweep up the kitchen, please? It's one of the essential phrasal verbs for talking about floor cleaning. Then there's mop up. This refers to cleaning a spill or liquid using a mop or cloth. For example, the glass of water spilled, so I had to mop it up quickly. It's often used when cleaning after spills or messes. Now let's discuss hang up. This means to place clothes or items on a hook, hanger, or line. For example, please hang up your jacket when you get home. It's all about keeping clothes off the floor and in their proper place. The next phrasal verb is throw away. This means to discard or get rid of something, usually placing it in the trash. For example, if it's broken and can't be fixed, you should throw it away. It's essential when talking about decluttering. Another great one is do up. This means to renovate, decorate, or repair a space or an item. For example, they're planning to do up the old kitchen and give it a modern look. It's often used when talking about home renovations or improvements. Next is fix up. It's similar to do up, but it's often used for smaller repairs or quick improvements. For example, we need to fix up the old table before we can use it again. It's useful when talking about home repairs and maintenance. Now let's talk about put together. This means to assemble or build something by connecting its parts. For example, I just bought a new bookshelf, but I still have to put it together. It's perfect for talking about furniture assembly or DIY projects. And finally, we have dust off. This means to remove dust from a surface or object. For example, before we use the old books, let's dust them off first. It's also used metaphorically to mean use something that hasn't been used in a while. And that's it for category 147, Household Chores, Phrasal Verbs for keeping your home organized. With these phrases, you'll be able to talk about cleaning, organizing, and maintaining your home like a true native speaker. See you in the next lesson for category 148.